Hi, my name is Michaela Rady. I am a senior at UAF seeking a bachelor's in business administration. I graduate in May. This is my last semester and I'm really excited and anxious about. I have worked and currently work for a local construction company called Midstate Equipment. I've worked there for about 6 years. They're located here in North Pole. I've gotten a lot of office experience with QuickBooks, data entry, some HR related fields, and I'm really excited about this class in particular. Right now Midstate's under a big ice road job and I could see some areas where business continuity could really come into play. So I'm pretty excited to get going. I am currently using Screencast-O-Matic, which uploads your video onto YouTube. We used it for English 314 and it worked out really well. Pretty simple to use, but there is a time frame of 15 minutes. Your video can't go over 15 minutes. Fun facts, I have 2 labs, a charcoal and a yellow, and I adore them, and I love cross-country skiing. Look forward to meeting you all and have a good semester. Thanks.